So we are at Fairfield Marriott today. We have been invited on the occasion of cake mixing occasion. So it's a very old tradition, especially it is a welcoming winters for Christmas. और उसी हिसाब से उसी occasion को celebrate करने के लिए हम सारे के सारे Fairfield Marriott में इकट्ठे हुए हैं आज. We have been invited from our worthy GM of Fairfield Marriott, Mr. Juneja. So we'll take you inside and let's see how the things goes. Yes.
അപ്പോൾ ഗൈസ് ഇന്നത്തെ പുതിയൊരു ചെറിയ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. എന്താ എങ്ങനെയാണ് സംഭവം എന്ന് അറിയത്തില്ല. നമ്മൾ മാരിയറ്റ് ഹോട്ടലിലാണ് കേക്ക് മിക്സിംഗ് സെറമണി കാണാനായിട്ട് വന്നതാണ് കേട്ടോ. എൻ്റെ ഒപ്പം ഡോക്ടർ അർച്ചിത്, പിന്നെ ആയുഷ്, ഞങ്ങൾ 3 പേരാണ് ഇന്ന് ഇവിടെ ഈ ഒരു പ്രോഗ്രാം വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഈ ഒരു മാരിയറ്റ് ഹോട്ടലിലേക്ക് നമ്മൾ എൻട്രി ചെയ്യുകയാണ് കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ വെൽക്കം ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ഇവിടെ ആൾക്കാർ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Pleasure meeting you. Same. I will also share my card on with you if I'm getting.
അപ്പം നമ്മൾ ഈ ഒരു സെറമണി കാണാനായിട്ട് അകത്തേക്ക് നമ്മൾ കയറി വന്നിരിക്കുകയാണ് കേട്ടോ. ഇതിൻ്റെ അകത്താണ് ഈ ഒരു കേക്ക് മിക്സിങ് സെറമണിയും കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ നടക്കുന്നത്.
Please come, I'll show you the hotel.
Okay.
So this is basically a Fairfield Marriott, and we have 102 rooms here. And this is a beautiful property which is there in the foothills of Mussoorie. So from here, Mussoorie is only 25 kilometers.
25 kilometers.
And this has been one of the very renowned properties here. And we have been in the 10th month of operation. The hotel is doing excellent. And we have good occupancy throughout the year. We also lay a Sunday brunch, which is the talk of the town. And you can see the hotel. This is the restaurant. Name is Pano. It's a beautiful views. If you can just show from there, you'll be able to see how beautiful the venue is.
Yes.
First cake mixing that the hotel is doing, because we opened in December, while now we are in our 10th month of operation.
അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടുത്തെ ഈ ഒരു ഹോട്ടൽ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് 10 മാസമായിട്ടുള്ളൂ. കഴിഞ്ഞ ഡിസംബറിലായിരുന്നു സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടുത്തെ ഫസ്റ്റ് കേക്ക് മിക്സിംഗ് സെറമണിയാണ് കേട്ടോ ഈ ഒരു ഹോട്ടലിൽ നമ്മളിന്ന് കാണാനായിട്ട് പോകുന്നത്.
Ready for the cake mixing for the Christmas. Myself, Pradeep Samal. I'm the executive chef here. So thank you so much for coming over here. So please, let me show you. So here we go for the cake mixing ceremony, where we are ready for the upcoming feast. That will be Christmas as well as the New Year. Yeah. So all the liquors what we're gonna use for the cake mixing. So equally our team, they are very excited. And the dry fruits, all the liquors. Say hello.
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 Hey, your face is a bit small.
Oh.
So would you like to say something? So are
Yeah, your forehead is huge. Your forehead
is
your
huge.
bald. You're just so scared of you. Bald. Bald boy, bald guy.
But the compliment, you didn't say it loud enough. What did you say about the moustache?
Nice mustache.
Oh, thank you.
lovely. That's I think one of the best compliment. Yeah.
Hey.
So similarly, we are doing kebab feast, which is every weekend we are doing.
Cake mixing now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. And also we are doing kebab food feast, which is we are doing every weekend, every Friday and Saturday. And then again ongoing activity, we have Sunday brunch on every Sunday. So we started 7 onwards until 10:30. So we'll be here. So is it quite close to the Lash Greenery and the open area of al fresco, where the people can join and sit and enjoy the every bite of kebabs. So I think this is the one of the best treat, and the now the festive season, you can imagine, right? So first of all, thank you so much being with us. It's such a pleasure to meet you. Whenever you are here, most welcome.
Sure.
Thank you so much. Thanks. this is wonderful. I think I have to make wider. Yes.
Great. Oh, nice. Make एक मेरी भी. Please join. Great.
ഇപ്പം നമ്മളെല്ലാവരുടെ തലയിൽ ക്യാപ്പ് വെച്ചു. ഫുൾ എല്ലാവരും ഷെഫായി കേട്ടോ അപ്പം.
Thank you. So, who people wearing gloves, please start mixing it. We appreciate it.
What better to do?
So satisfying.
Bum.
Did I put that?
Either. It's fine. हाँ इसमें.
Now you can see how it look like. And now we are ready where we're gonna keep these things for another 25 or 30 days.
30
And then
days.
after that, definitely during the New Year and during the Christmas, we are gonna do a nice plum cake. So after once it will be fermented, and then definitely you will get one of the best. So I hope that time you will be here.
Yes, sure.
Would be appreciate your presence during that time, and definitely I'll come to you for the feedback. Thank you so much. Thanks.